Okay, good day everyone. So today we'll be looking at downloading and installing QuickBooks. So once you have purchased your software from MicroBooks, you'd be required to download the software from Intuit server, then install to your local computer. So we're going to basically take you through the steps in doing so. But before we do so, we're going to look at the system requirements for QuickBooks 2019 and Enterprise Solutions 2019. More of a focus on the QuickBooks 2019 product. Alright, so if you want to get the best possible experience in QuickBooks, it means that you need to, or your system need to meet the operating system, the hardware and software requirements of the program. Alright, so let's look at the operating system requirements. First, your system needs to either have Windows 10 or editions of Windows 10, including 64-bit, and it should be natively installed. The system also supports Windows 8.1 with Update 1. It should have at least Update 1, and all editions of Windows 8.1 is supported, including a 64-bit, and it should be natively installed. Windows 7 with Service Pack 1, all editions, including the 64-bit as well, and it should also be natively installed. For companies who most likely have a server, the system supports, or the software supports, Windows Server 2016, Windows Server 2012, but it should have at least R2. Well, that's where it is now, R2. And Windows Server 2011, Standard and Essentials edition. And finally, the system supports Windows Server 2008 R2 Service Pack 1. Alright, I use the word natively installed. Natively installed means Windows is installed on a particular system or environment that it was designed for. This also means that it doesn't need to run in a virtual environment or emulator. Right? It does not work well on ARM in a virtual environment. Okay? So for those of you using VMware and all of those virtualization technology, you will have problems using QuickBooks.